Hey everyone, welcome back to my makeup tutorial. Today I'm starting with the blur primer to smooth out my skin. This is my favorite primer so far. Then I'm applying the Makeup Forever foundation for a flawless base. This is my second bottle. You know what I mean, right? To conceal my scars, I'm using the Makeup Forever palette, and for some extra highlight, I will use the HD Skin Concealer on the high points of my face. Next, I'm going to use a cream blush, placing it under my eyes for a soft flush look. Now let's zoom in for the eye makeup. I'll lightly fill in my brows and conceal them to shape them how I want. Since I don't really shave my eyebrows, so concealer is a mess for me. For my eyeshadow, right, I'm starting with a light white as a base, then adding a soft pink in the crease. Then I'm blending a deep pink from the lash line to the crease and finishing it off with a touch of shimmer for extra sparkle, yeah. And for my eyeliner, I'm using a deep purple to create a soft smoky eye effect. Let's zoom out. To set my base, right, I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Skin Setting Powder. This is my absolute favorite. Nothing to say, my favorite at all. Then I apply a powder blush over my cream blush for a long-lasting finish. And then I add some shadow to my nose. Now let's move on to the highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter as well. Since I'm doing this makeup before work, right, I need to keep track of time. Siri, what time is it now? What time is it? Okay, so for the accuser, right, I'm using a deep color first, and then a lighter cream shade on the inside, and finishing off with like a touch of glitter a little bit. So, you know, right, my favorite part is mascara. It really helps my lashes pop naturally and completes the look very nicely. Hey Siri, set the timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes starting now.
I was scared. So I need to finish within 15 minutes to this makeup look. So I use the lip balm first, and then I line my lips with a lip liner after that. And I use the Blush and Glow palette for a perfect part. And to lock everything in place, I finish with setting spray. And ta-da! All done! So thank you for watching till the end. I hope I see you again. Bye-bye!